This is gonna be real. I stay my chill. Some of my money don't make no sense. Don't know what I spent. Make one caught that bit. Right around town, no tent. Cash in the bag, we lit. Smashing the gas in that bed. Some money don't make no sense.
So we got the stand so we can take off the engine, which we're gonna do. Pick this up for 65 bucks. So we got the engine harness in, brand new one. We have a battery relocation kit from DC5 Creations. We have a new clutch. We also got a top mount. We just had to go top mount, which is, you know, better because it's brand new.
We also fucking bitches, bro.
We got new pipes, new dump tube. It's all PLM as well. What we're doing is we're taking off the front end besides the fenders. We're gonna go give it to this guy, trade it, go get a JDM one. One thing we're gonna be missing for his front end is gonna be the headlights, which are one of the most expensive ones because the one Salty wants to get are like $1,000. We get all that new stuff. Hopefully start taking out the engine soon. We're gonna make this all good, clean this all up, make this perfect. Alright, so we got the whole JDM front end now. Just got home. Get the bumper, the fenders, radiator support. We're still missing one that we have to make. But we have the we got a carbon hood with it. Alright, so we have a carbon hood here. We already opened it last night. It's pretty clean. It's under there. I don't even want to flip it.
Fucking brand new.
Brand new. We got the EGs out. We got a lot more space to work with. We're gonna go pick up new tools so we can work on this. We have a couple tools over there, but it's better to get a whole good set over there, make it look nice. I like how my car sits. It's just dope. Just going like that.
It's like a loading screen.
It's like a loading screen. It looks weird kind of seeing all the space freed up. We have a lot of space now. We can take out the engine and put the engine stand here. Work on the engine, keep the tools around here.
Once you eat that ass and she goes to the next one, she's like, damn, he ain't doing it, so he's just gonna go back. Oh, she likes when her ass.
I didn't eat ass, bro. That's what she left me.
Next time you go in there, you're gonna eat that ass.
Hey, bro, stop, bro. Hey, stop, bro.
Stop.
Bro, that van looks very suspicious now.
How many kids you got? A lot.
Hey, how many kids you got?
Stop looking back, man.
Oh, shit. This shit. Holy water, holy water, holy water. Holy water. Holy water.
What the fuck?
Hey, you should have some room.
Bro, you a fat ass. You buying two slices of pepperoni? I know damn well you ain't got a bitch in this car.
What the fuck did he crash into?
A back of a semi.
Back of a semi?
Yup.
Damn, no, it could be a model, bro. Your fucking sports place off. I'll clean it up. Don't say that to me again, bro.
I can get the frying for you.
Don't say that to me. That wiener dog of yours at fucking Florida, bro?
Yeah, my fat black wiener.
But that thing's ugly, bro.
No, Rocker's a homie. What part of Black Man?
Gang.
Rob, you know that Whataburger is the only fast food restaurant that starts with a W?
That serves what?
It's the only fast food restaurant that starts with a W.
Ah, Wendy's.
Wendy's nuts and your chin. Imagine grabbing.
Dude was mad.
I took the top off. I'm dripping like hot sauce. I got drink in the spring. Carlos, I go lock out. I go back to the trap house. Spread that bitch and the bells down. Cash it in and I cash out. Turn that shit to a stash house.
Hey, bro, it's gonna be 50 bucks for the roller.
Bend down. Blow it back when I'm in town. Is it gonna you the best?
Like a cop car. I make this song so tight. She read me very right. She put me in the pile. She cut up all the lights. She said,
When you're here, I can show you my credit card. It shows McDonald's, Burger King,
What the fuck are you wearing, you big-headed ass bitch?
Bro, you posted you told me like every year.
So what? So what? I don't know what the fuck
Like, I went on this. I'm out of here. I'm out of here, guys.
I just heard your balls clapping.
Because I have a thing called horseitis. It's when you have a horse big dick and it comes with the back of balls too.
Alright, so we're gonna take off the stock exhaust of the Supra and Gonna put this straight pipe, some ricer shit, straight pipe with this muffler. Full titanium, looks badass. Okay, see, I would help on doing this, but I don't know shit about new cars nor a fucking Supra.
Cartoon, you got another one.
Loud as shit.
Sounds way deeper, like it gets your ears.
Cruising on the block with a big old Glock. I see a op, then he bound to get popped. Came up out the gutter and went straight to the top. Look what he made it, but he's
I'm pregnant.
Let me see.
Oh, don't hit me, please. Stop! I'm out. I'm doing no more. Fucking YouTube channel.
Hey, yo.
They just lost a valued customer. We got there, and this lady comes up, verifies my ID.
It's expired.
Okay. And then Rob's like, I didn't bring money, so he kissed her. Like,
Oh, damn, nigga, you going fast as fuck in this turn.
that was a very nice Mustang. Wow.
Damn, bro, why you take the turn like we're in a fucking
35.
F1 car?
See that car wash right there? I met this Asian girl. So,
What about her?
you wanna go eat?
Eat what?
Check.
There's Little Caesars over there. You want Little Caesars? You don't like Little Caesars?
Turn the camera off.
You like Little Caesars?
I want the stuffed crust. I want your sausage. Hey, is the gas cap over?
Check the fucking thing on there.
Do you see one?
It should be on that side.
Stay in here, okay? I don't want no guys looking at you. You want Domino's?
I don't care, I'm down.
This is why I don't ask you shit.
It's whatever.
No, whatever. Actually, no, stay right there. Stay right there. I want to do something.
What are you gonna do?
Okay.
What do you mean, bitch? You try to leave me. Listen here, buddy. What the fuck did you try to leave me? Go. Bro, we're gonna crash, bro. We're gonna crash, bro. We're gonna crash, bro. We're gonna crash. Catch.
Oh, shit! Look what Saul did to me.
Damn. Hey, bro, give him a hug, bro. Give him a hug for an apology. Give him a hug. Give him a hug. Give him a hug. Bro, it's like in middle school when you made the kids hug each other.
Stop filming me. Stop filming me. Stop filming me. Please, stop filming me. Stop filming me, please.
We used to play the game on the porch. My mama was tripping, we couldn't have company. I used to think I would never accomplish it, still can't believe it.